Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we're going to look at the Sennheiser Profile USB Microphone. This is the streaming set. So this microphone is geared towards podcasters and streamers. And as mentioned, this is the streaming set. It comes with the boom arm, and you can also get it with the regular version, which just comes with the stand. So let's take a look on what's inside. So opening it up, you have your boom arm. Then you have the microphone. It's in this storage pouch. And then you have a box here with all the cables and user guide. So you got your user guide, and then you have the USB-C cable. Okay, so briefly going over some specs. This is powered by USB-C. It's compatible with your Mac OS, iPad OS, Windows, and Android. It has a mute button, gain control, mix control, 3.5mm headphone output for audio monitoring, headphone volume control, has a cardioid capsule, and it has a robust metal housing. And this has a cardioid pickup pattern. As mentioned earlier, this is the streaming version, which comes with the boom arm, and you can also get it with the regular version, which just comes in a stand. So the current price with the regular version is $129 with the stand, and then if you want the streaming version, it's $199. And you can always purchase either or. If you want to purchase the boom arm or the stand separately, you can certainly do so. Taking a look at the microphone, it feels very solid, has a metal feel all around. On the front, you have your controls and knobs. The first button here is your mute button, and you also have an LED ring light around it, so when you activate it, it will light up. Below that, you have the gain control, then the mix control, and then your headphone volume control. Taking a look at the back, you have your headphone jack, and then your USB-C input to power it up. And then you can see on the bottom here how it will attach to the boom arm. So looking at the boom arm, it feels pretty solid here, you know. Just like your standard arm. You have the attachment here for the microphone, and then this part will go into the base like that. And then you can adjust it to your preference depending on, you know, the thickness of your desk. So it's just loosening it and tightening it. As far as the cable, you know, they provide you a USB-C cable, and it's a fairly good length, so you should be able to you know, route it accordingly and plug it into your device. And here's just a quick look. I just mounted it really quick on my desk here just to show how it looks. All right, now I'm gonna do some audio samples. I'm gonna do some samples with the profile mic and the Sennheiser MK4. Now you're hearing the audio from the Sennheiser Profile microphone. The gain is at about 3 o'clock. There's no EQ. This is just the pure sound that's coming from it. I will read some phrases so you get a sense of the sound. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Plays a rose bush near the porch steps. All right, now this is the audio of the Sennheiser MK4 microphone. A little bit more expensive than the profile mic. There's no EQ settings. This is just the sounds that are coming out from the microphone. So I'll read some phrases. The source of the huge river is the clear spring. Kick the ball straight and follow through. A pot of tea helps to pass the evening. Smoky fires lack flame and heat. 2 blue fish swam in the tank. Take the winding path to reach the lake. The frosty air passed through the coat. Place a rose bush near the porch steps. Alright, now back to the audio of the Sennheiser Profile microphone. I feel the sounds are solid and it blocks out a lot of the surrounding noises. Compared to the MK4, which is a little bit pricier, the Profile microphone was a bit brighter. The MK4 had more warmth and deeper tones, but for streaming and podcasting, this will definitely do the job in my opinion. It comes in at a competitive price point and you can select from various setups, from a regular stand or one with a boom arm. So that's a look at the Sennheiser Profile microphone. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.